Gold and silver both traded with a drop yesterday and have seen the support levels playing out very, very well. I've mentioned 30, 40, 30, 50 zone for silver, which is indeed played out a very strong support, and likewise for gold at around 23, 50, 50. Now, what to expect? How to profit, where to enter, where to exit, everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session, that will also add to your trading decisions. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon. Also, today is an important day. Chairman Pal's testimony today and tomorrow definitely will add lot much to the volatility. So, how to profit with that? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do like, share, and comment. It is always a great motivation. And join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch. If you look at the hourly charts of gold here, see this first attempt, second attempt, third attempt here. And all the time, gold has found its support here at 2350 zone. And we know that 2344.45 is one important support. If gold is seen trading below 2344, 44, 45 at any point of time today, tomorrow, you should treat this as a bearish move, and then we can look forward to 2320 levels, 2325 levels as the next target zone. But right now it appears after the drop it is retracing. See, look at the drop here, the retracement, the drop here, the retracement. The slope is bit gradual compared to the fall, which suggests that it is under retracement. Another observation here is the crossover in the moving averages. The 20 and 50 period crossing over here is the slight bearish sign. See, this is coming after a long time here, where we have seen earlier last, or you can say last month, we have seen it crossing over, and since then we have seen the moving average is trading in the bullish. Now this same zone is proving out to be a good resistance here. Thus, if you see gold is staying above 2368.70, you can initiate a buying entry here, but this is going to be slight riskier as long as 2380.84 levels are not taken. Once gold stays above 2380.84, then only we should say that it has reversed and it is trying to rise. Else what will happen? It may try to move towards this zone at 70.75 and then try to drop again. So this is something we should not forget, and thus as long as gold stays below 2380.85, we should be very, very careful. Stochastic has dropped from the overbought zone. Look at MACD. After hitting the lows, it is crossing over here. This can lead to slight reversal. This can lead to a rise here. This suggests that it can try to retrace further towards 70.75. RSI rising, signs of bullishness coming to 2. The observation is more or less same. Drop is sharper, forming double bottom, trying to bounce back. Possibility of a retracement exists. Now see this, from where this fall has started around 2375 level. So this is going to be one key level above 2368.70. So if you see it is staying above 2368.70, you can initiate a buying entry, but be careful at around 2375, 2378.80, and then 2384.85. Three levels to watch out here. Also look, see, the rise was seen from here. It is again fallen back within the same zone. All the gains are nullified, and now it is again trying to bounce back. It's a good sign for the bulls. Stochastic rising. The MACD has seen good bearishness, trying to converge crossover for the buys. RSI is showing a rise here. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour chart, the observation is same here, trying to retrace, trying to reverse. Consistent higher lows, higher highs are seen. Very important for it to stay about 2368.70 for continuation of further rise towards 2375 and then 80 levels. If you look at the formation here, just connect this, you will find it is still trading in this bullish channel. Very, very important for gold to drop below 2350 and 44 levels in order to confirm further bearishness. Stochastic rising from the oversold. MACD has crossed over here at the top. Yesterday I have mentioned one thing: drop, retracement, the rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, and this crossover at the top. This is something which I have highlighted, and that is why we can see this sharper drop. Now it is trying to convert, so means couple of greener candles from here, but not a reversal. RSI trying to bounce back, coming to 4. The observation is more or less same. Price is coming back, falling back within the zone, taking the support from 50 period. It is trying to bounce back. Resistance from the 20 period and the median of the Bollinger Bands. Thus 2368.70 is something you should watch out for. You can buy it around those levels and expect it to retrace further or rise further. The stochastic rising from the bottom. The MACD, look at MACD again. What we have seen on the 3 hour charts, it has also crossed over at a slightly higher levels. If you look at the formation, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, it could retrace. So it is still room for it to continue with the drop here. Thus, as long as silver or gold stays below 2380.85, the chances of a reversal will be very, very high. So you should keep that in mind. The RSI has dropped as well. Before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me over Telegram or email for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker, the recommended broker link is also there in the channel and video description. Yes, it offers a free account with the lowest spreads and no hidden charges. Join it today and enjoy trading. Now look at the daily charts. If you look at the daily chart, see yesterday's candle started outside Bollinger Bands. Lower highs were seen here, and since then we have seen it trading bullish, trading bearish. And look at the support levels. Identically symmetrical formation is what we have seen here. Now, what is happening today? It is started on a flat note and it is trying to bounce back. Also, we know that unless and until gold breaks beyond 2392 95 zone, we should not be treating this as bullish. Beyond 2392 95 is where the bulls will take over completely. Right now, I can see that it is retracing. A flat bottom suggests that it could reverse and try to create a red candle. Possibility exists that we can see a symmetrical candle, which means in fact it can try to move towards 2330 as well. However, right now it is not showing any such sign. If you look at the stochastic, this is dropping from the overbought. The MACD was trading with divergence. It is trying to converge, not yet crossed over. RSI has dropped as well. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy here at 2368.70 zone. Expect 2374 75 as the first target zone, 2378.80 as the next, and then 2385 levels will come into picture. Again, I am saying as long as 2385 is not taken, you should be careful here with the trades. It can reverse again. Once it rises beyond 2385 is where we can say that the bulls are trying to take over, and then I will look forward to 2391.92. Beyond that, sky is the limit. We will see plus levels towards 2400. I do not see that happening, but these are markets. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 2358.60 zone, where you can expect it to move towards 2354 first target, 2350.48 the next target, and below 2348.50 we can look forward to 2344. Breaking 2344, remember, you should not try to initiate a buying entry below 2344. We are looking forward to 2325 levels, and in fact lower levels can be seen here. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. So silver on the hourly chart, similar observation here. The drop, the you can say slight bearish move here, then the sharper drop, then again it is trying to retrace. What it is also trying to form is a lower highs and lower lows here. Where are the highs of this? 3120. Thus, as long as 3120, 3125 levels are not taken, we should not be treating silver for a reversal. And above 3140 is where you can say it is completely reversed. So what it is trying to do, it is trying to move towards 3110, and I think that that should be a greater resistance for silver to break past. If you look at the hourly chart, see drop was sharp, rise is gradual. This is suggestive of retracement, not a reversal, unless and until it breaks beyond 3120 25 zone. Stochastic has come out of the overbought zone. Look at the MACD crossing over here at the bottom, trying to trade with little divergence. This could lead to slight bullish momentum from the current levels. RSI is rising, showing a little sign of bullishness. Coming to 2 hour chart, the observation is more or less same here. You can see this, but I can find a little resistance at 31, 31.10, 31.20. So if you see silver is staying above $31 levels here, when you see the lower prices above 31, you can initiate a buying entry. Expect 31.10, 31.20, 25. If it breaks 31.25, stay bullish for 31.40, and that should confirm the reversal. Beyond 31.40, sky is the limit. We can in fact look forward to $32 levels. Stochastic rising. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. RSI is rising here. Coming to 3 hour, the observation is more or less same here on the 3 hour charts. Higher highs, higher lows, and here this is the nice flag formation. This is definitely a bearish flag. Thus, if it stays above 31.20, 31.40, consider that as a reversal. Stochastic rising. MACD has crossed over here at the top, trying to trade bearish here, looking downwards. RSI is rising. Coming to 4 hour charts, if you look at 4 hour charts again, see one sharp bearish candle taking the support from the 20 period. It is trying to bounce back. Now, possibly it can try to move towards 3110 levels in this candle itself, and from those levels we will see how it behaves. The next candle when it appears, and if it gives a breakout, consider that silver is turning bullish. Stochastic rising. The MACD, look at MACD crossing over here at the top, trading with slight divergence, trading with slight bearishness. If you look at the formation here, rise, retracement, rise, and it is willing to retrace here. And thus, as long as 3120, 3140 zone is not taken, do not treat silver as bullish. RSI has dropped. Coming to daily. On the daily charts, you can see higher lows, you can see lower highs. Consolidation is going on, and thus a breakout is what you should wait for. Now, on the downside today, I will recommend a selling entry at 3080. When you see the higher prices below 3080, you can take a sell entry, and below 3080 we can again look forward to 3060, 3040 zone, which is going to remain an extremely important support zone. Any drop below 3040 is a sign of bearishness, where the prices might try to move towards, in fact, $30 levels, where it can try to move towards the 20 period moving average. Below 3040, remember, extremely bearish. Above 3140, remember, extremely bullish. So this $1 zone is something you should be careful of. And in order to profit from this, very simple, buy at 31, be careful at 31.10, 31.20, 31.40 zone. Very, very clear. You say critical levels these are. On the downside, beyond 31.40, sky is the limit. We will look forward to 31.60 and then, in fact, $32 levels. On the downside, if it drops below 30.80, you can take a sell entry there. Expect 30.60, 30.40 levels, and this is going to be prime support zone. Below 30.40 is where the bears are waiting. Take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube too. And yes, do not miss to watch the next update before the US session and Chairman Powell's testimony. That will add lot much to your trading decision. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.